Hello and welcome to my channel. Are your project meetings dragging for a long time? Are your project meetings not giving you outcome? Don't worry, you're not alone, but it doesn't have to be that way. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of running a very effective project management meeting. If you're a project manager, aspiring project manager, practicing project manager, this video is for you. It is very apparent that as a project manager, you're able to run effective meetings. Why? In most projects, a project manager is always chairing the meetings. So if you're chairing the meetings and you don't know how to run them effectively, you will not achieve what you want to achieve in that meeting. So I'm going to take you through step by step with different sections on how you should run your meetings effectively if you're a project manager. So let's get started. Very important part of a meeting, or to run a meeting effectively as a project manager, is to start strong. So there are certain points you need to consider if you want to start strong in a meeting. For example, you need to start on time and you set the tone of the meeting properly. Imagine a project manager. The meeting is supposed to start at 10. You are coming at 10:15. Obviously, there's a problem. The participants have been waiting for you for 15 minutes and then you pitch up. That is not good for the meeting. Whatever you're going to say, people can even start doubting you. How can you appear to be organized when you came to the meeting late? So even the tone of your meeting is already distorted. So always make sure that when you start strong in your meeting, you are starting on time and you set the right tone. Like what I do in my projects. I'm always the first one to be in the meeting, whether it's online or it's physical. I always make sure that I'm the first one to appear in the meeting. That is very important. If someone joins the meeting, you'll find even some of the participants, they start calling each other that the project manager is in the meeting or the chair is already in the meeting. And always start the meeting on time. Latest 5 minutes. But within the first 5 minutes, give people just to finish and join. There are some people who come while they're talking, they disturb you. So just give them 5 minutes, even if it means you have a meeting with 2 or 3 people. Unless if you're not forming up a quorum, then you have to make sure that you don't do the meeting. But always start the meeting on time with the right tone. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, so that you're the first person to be notified each time a new video is uploaded on this channel. So when you're starting your meeting, always make sure you're reinstating the goals of the meeting. That's what I normally do. There are some people who might have forgotten. There are some people who might have missed the previous meeting. So once you start by reinstating the goals, people would appreciate why they're there. People can even appreciate how long it's going to take them to be in that meeting. No one is going to complain that you're taking too long, as long as they know that we have 3 or 4 goals to meet in the meeting. So we are now on goal number 2. They are just motivated that there's only one more goal and then the meeting is done. So always make sure that you are reinstating, you are re-emphasizing, you are also revisiting the goals of the meeting. That is what I've been doing. It has helped me, and I believe it can also help you in your current projects or in your future projects. And the agenda, and you time box each agenda item. The advantage of time boxing each agenda item is for you to make sure that you keep the time. If you want me to do another additional video based on what we have discussed earlier in terms of how to effectively run a project meeting, or you have any questions or clarifications, let me know in the comment section below.